Hello students, welcome to class 4th Max, chapter 6 multiplication, introduction part 3. Today we are going to see following topics, that is multiplication by a 3-digit number and estimating products. So our first topic is multiplication by a 3-digit number. Example, multiply 264 multiply 132. So see, first we will write the question 264 multiplied by 132. So we will now start from ones place digit 2. So we will start multiplying 2 4 the 8. Now 2 multiplied by 6. 2 6 the 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 we will carry it over. Now 2 2 the 4. Then 4 plus carried over digit 1. 4 plus 1 we will get 5. Okay, so this is our first step. Now we will multiply by tens place digit 3. Okay, by 3 by all these number. Before multiplying we have to write first 0 in first place. Okay, 1 0 we will write here. Now we will start multiplying by 3. 3 4 the 12. So 2 we will write down and 1 we will carry it over to next place. Now 3 6 the 18. 18 plus 1 we will get 19. So 9 we will write down and 1 we will carry it over here. Now 3 2 the 6. 6 plus carried over 1, 7. Okay. Now this is our second step. Now we will multiply by 1 in hundreds place. So before starting multiplying, we have to write here 2 zeros. Okay. We have to write here in third step 2 zeros. In multiplying by 3-digit number, we have to add 2 zeros in by multiplying hundreds place. Okay. So first we will write 2 zeros. Then we will start multiplying by 1. So now 1 4 the 4. 1 6 the 6. 1 2 the 2. Okay, now multiplication we done. Now we have to add this all. Now 8 plus 0 we will get 8. 2 plus 2 get 4. 4 plus 0 4. 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 4 18. So 8 we will write down and 1 we will carry it over. Now 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 6 14. So 4 we will write down and 1 we will carry it over. Now 1 plus 2 3. So our answer is 34,848. Okay, this way we have to multiply 3-digit number. Now see 132 equal to, here we have to expand first, means 100 plus 30 plus 2. Then 528. How we got this answer? By multiplying 264 multiplied by 2. Okay, this is our first step. Then second step. How we got this answer? 264 multiplied by 30. Okay. Now how we got this third step? 264 multiplied by 100. Okay children, understood the steps how to multiply a 3-digit number? Now our next topic is estimating products. Let's understand this through an example. So your example 1 is given, from that you can understand what is estimating products. Now Ajay wants to buy the gift packs for his sister. He would like to know approximately how much the toys will cost him. So Ajay, one boy is there. He want to buy some gift for his sister. So he want to know how much money he need for buying this gift. So he want the approximately how much money he want. So see what he is thinking to buy. He want to buy chocolate, then second biscuit, then third toy. So he now calculating how much money he need. So each one costing how much rupees? 67 for chocolate, biscuit for 67 for biscuit and 67 for toy. Now Ajay wants to know the approximate cost without doing any written calculation. He want to do a calculation in mental way. Okay, in his mind only, he does not want to do any written calculation. So see here, we round off the numbers mentally and then estimate the product. In this situation, what we will do, we will round off the number, means we will take a nearest tens hundreds or thousand to make a mental calculation. Okay, this is known as estimating the product. Here cost of 3 packs equal to how many gift he is purchasing? 3, and each costing 67. So we will multiply 3 multiply by 67. Now he what doing? This is not possible in mental way. Okay, this is possible in uh, written calculation. So he took calculating in a mental way, means mentally. So what now he is doing? He rounding the figure, means rounding 67 to 70, means nearest 10. Okay, so see, before 61 to 65 is there, so he will take the 60 as a round figure. Now here 65 to 69 means 67 is there, so he will take the nearest 10, means 70 is the nearest, so he will rounding the 67 figure into 70. Now he is calculating the approximate cost equal to 3 things are there, so we will multiply 3 multiply by 70. So how much estimated cost it will we got? Therefore, estimated cost equal to rupees 210. Okay. When we give an approximate answer close to the exact answer without doing any written computation, means calculation, we are estimating. So this is known as the estimating. Okay. When we are calculating mentally without doing any written work, so we can make it a round figure nearest to tens, hundreds or thousand. Okay children, understand what is estimating product?